Hey guys, this week we are out of the studio and we are in the Caribbean to try to catch some fish. Come with me. Alright, so here I have some shrimp and we'll try to get some fish here. Oh no, one fish stole my shrimp. I think I'm gonna quit. Alright guys, we're back in town and we didn't get lucky with fishing, but I know a joint where there's big fish. Let's go.
Cause I can tell you a thirsty beat. Look how the stars got you worshiping. You wanna slide on the on the sea. And it be just like it's in your dreams. Don't stop till it's head to feet. You wanna slide, go to work, baby. Work, baby. Damn it, boy, I'm tired tonight.
China.
When I'm talking, better look in my eyes. You ain't a saint, you ain't nothing like Christ.
Those are from Spain.
Chicken fingers.
This is where Uncle Roger buy his rice.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah! Finally, we catch a fish. I'll add it to you. Okay, so we got the fish finally. So first what we want to do is to fillet the fish. Follow the line here. It's not the best knife for doing this, but I don't have fillet knife. I need another knife. Alright, so the goal here is to have those fillet as dry as possible. So we will put salt on it for about 20 minutes. So all the juice will come out and we'll pet dry that fish. While we are waiting for the fish to be ready, let's work on the puree. This is pretty easy. We will start it just like if we are doing mashed potatoes. So try to cut it in about the same size pieces. And just like mashed potato, we'll put this in cold water and bring it to a boil. Also, I want some asparagus in this dish. So I'll take the bigger one here. And also I have those super nice king mushroom. Those are so delicious. I love them. They have like chewy texture in it, even if it's cooked, and some nutty flavor. It's beautiful. Okay, so let's just check if the sweet potato is ready, and it is. To those potato, we will add the zest of one orange and add le jus of half that orange in it. Good job, orange. Season with salt and pepper. Add about 2 teaspoons of butter, or you can also use ghee butter if you're lactose intolerant. And of course, add the butter when it's hot. And a little bit of crème fraîche. And while you mix, add some cream until you have the desired consistency. As you can see, the water just came out with the salt. We can do Now we want to pet those really dry. The more dry you will pet it, the nicer crust we will have. Qu'est-ce qu'il y a? Wow, very mature. Can we go back to serious? Because this is a very serious show. So with a knife, go with the scales like this. Remove the water. Go against it like this. Remove. There's no much more. Okay, this one is pretty dry. Spray oil with fire underneath. That's a great idea, Dan. Yeah. Woo. Press it to make sure. Make a nice stir. Press it down. And use some lemon on the asparagus. I want to make the most of the cooking on the skin, so we have a nice crust on it, just like this. Perfect. I want to do a nice brown butter. So in here, I'll put just half of the butter on medium heat. Okay, so for that brown butter, I'm just gonna roughly cut that parsley here. Okay, so the butter is getting brown now. I'm gonna add the capers. Season this with salt and pepper. Put le jus of lemon. Remove from the fire and put the parsley. Okay, so let's play this now. We'll start with some asparagus or beautiful mushrooms, le fish, a tiny bit of green, and for the last, le purée. All right, so this look. All right, so this look beautiful and delicious. So let's taste this. Here I have my brown butter with some capers. Ho 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 ho, décadent. Crispy skin. Oh my. incredible, delicious. Ooh, very good match. This puree is sweet and zesty with the orange. Very, very good. I hope you guys enjoyed this episode. Let me know in the comment if you want me to do more outgoing things like this. If you learned something, leave a like and see you in the next episode. Mm.